Hi. In this video, we will learn about using Select Special in Excel.
The Select Special feature in Excel helps you to find cells that fulfill a certain criteria. So let's say you want to find cells that have formulas, cells that have formatting applied, cells that are blank, so on. Then in that case, you can use the Select Special tool to quickly find these cells that satisfy the criteria that you want to. So first you can select the range of cells that you want to check. And then you click on F5 and then click on Special. And see, we have different options. We can find notes, constants, formulas, blanks, objects, differences, precedence, last cell, conditional formats, data validation, and so on. So let's see whether we can find cells that have notes. So if I click OK, it's selecting this cell. So here there is a note in this cell, and you can identify that with the red mark over here. So again, let's do another search. F5 and Special, and let's find constants and say OK. So it's looking for constants, and all of these cells are highlighted. So that means these are constants or values, and there are no formulas. So these ones are formulas over here on the bonus column. So that's why they are not selected. So also if you do F5 from here, so if you don't select a range, the search will apply for the whole worksheet. So from here, if I go to Special, and let's say I search for formulas. So then it's selecting this whole range. So here you can see there are formulas in all of these cells. Again, if I select this area, do F5, Special, and let's say I want to find the blanks. And then I find these two cells are the blank cells. And again, let's say I want to find any objects in this worksheet. So I press F5 and say Special and Objects and OK. And see, there's an object over here. So that is now getting highlighted. Again, if I do F5, Special, I can go to the last cell in the workbook or the worksheet. So I can go from here to the last cell in the worksheet. So I can click last cell, say OK, and I land over here. So this is the last cell in the worksheet that has date. Again, if I do F5, Special, and let's say I want to find conditional formatting. I want to find 4 cells with conditional formatting. I click on this, say OK, and these cells are highlighted. So these cells are having conditional formats applied. So that's why they are appearing in this pink colors. Again, if I do F5, I can check for data validation as well. Click OK, and these cells are highlighted, and see data validation is applied into these cells.
Thanks for watching.